Good morning, students. Students, this is the week of Remedial English. It means I shall teach you different usages. So, I am going to teach you present simple in this video. Do you know, students, where to use present simple tense and how to use it correctly? Students, I shall teach you four main uses of present simple. So let's start. First of all, you should know what is present simple tense. Students, it is the most basic tense in English language that you learn in English course. This is the first tense in English. Students, when do we use present simple tense? Let's know. When we talk about habits and routines, permanent situation, fixed future events, and last is facts. Students, we make sentences by using some particular formula: subject, verb, and the object. Let's know about subject. It is a grammatical head of sentence which does the action in sentence. Students, subject is a doer which does the action in sentence. Verb, a word that indicates the action. Students, verb shows the action in sentence. Let's know about the object. Object is a receiver which receives the action in sentence. It means strings object is receiving the action which is done by subject. Strings, let's have some examples of subject, verb and the object. I help people. You cook food. We guide students. They like ice cream. He flies kite. She washes clothes. It eats grass. Students, just look at the sentences and look at the changes which is done in the word. I used he flies, washes and eats. They are not in its original form. Students, subject doing the action, verb showing the action, and the object receiving the action which is done by subject. Students, let's know where to make changes in verb. Students, let's know where to make changes in verb. How to avoid the common mistakes that people make. Students, we use the first form of the verb with the addition of s, es and ies. When we talk about third person singular, what are these? He, she, it, any single name. When we talk about them, so students, then we make changes in the verb. But students, on the other hand, we do not make changes in the verb when we use I, you, we, they, and plural names. Students, as you know, I and we are first person, you is the second person, and they is the third person. Students, as I told you before, we use present simple for routine, habit, permanent situation, of fixed events, and facts. So let's understand by the examples. Students, consider the sentence: I take tea in the evening. Here, this is showing the routine. She goes to school every morning. Student, here the action is done on regular basis. Student, look at other example. You work for this company. Here, consider this sentence. Here we are talking about the permanent change. My brother lives in Karachi. It is also showing the permanent situation that my brother lives in Karachi. It is a permanent. The sun rises from east. Here, consider the sentence which is showing the facts which never change. It's true. Stars shine at night. Strange. It is also a fact which will never change. The train arrives in 10 minutes. Here, look at the sentence. We are talking about the fixed future events which is being done in the present time. The show starts in 20 minutes. It is also showing the fixed action of future which is going to be done in present time. Students, let's have other example to practice verb with addition of s, es, ies and the real form of the verb first form. They play cricket every Sunday. Students, the verb play is used here without any change because the subject is used here they as third person plural. I read books in holidays. Here is verb is also used without any changing and it is showing the habits of reading books. Lion eats other animals' meat. Here I made changes in eat because lion is a third person singular and this sentence is also showing the fact. Chef makes good dessert. Students, make is added with es because chef is a third person singular and it's showing the routine work. He avoids drinks. It is his habit and the verb showing that it is used as third person singular. Fatima designs dresses. It is her permanent work and the changes is made in verb because the Fatima is third person singular name. Children love pizza. Here any changing is not occurring in the verb because children are third person plural nouns. We follow the teaching of Islam. Here again no changing is occurred in the verb because we is our first person plural. Students, look at your assignment. Tick the suitable verb. Here sentences are given to you, so tick the suitable verb according to the subject. Underline the verb and circle the subject giving the below sentences. Students, I hope you have understood the present simple tense. Keep on practicing. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.